I'm Lex Weston. I am the General Manager here at Trailblazer BBQ. For those that don't know Trailblazer, we are a small manufacturing business based in Belfast. We manufacture a full range now, actually, of commercial and domestic barbecue grills and ship worldwide. As a business, we definitely see the value of having a digital presence. I think everybody now expects to be able to have access to a wealth of information from the comfort of their own home. Actually so much so that historically this room was a full showroom and we would have frequently had people coming out to visit us. However, now it's shifted solely online, and you know, our whole sales come through our online presence. So actually with ProfileTree, we were able to make a few different videos. We decided, because of the product that we were videoing, it was a launch into a new market. We decided to have an educational sort of unboxing video. On the back of that, we also then shot a 30-second teaser to be used as our main promo video for the full launch of the product. The product's now got into the USA, which is known as the barbecue capital of the world, so we're pretty chuffed. Most definitely, absolutely, yes, I would recommend ProfileTree.